Hi everyone! Today we're going to be diving into the world of sticky rolls. Sticky rolls are the newest trend in mystery toys, so they're wearable, shareable sticker bracelets. So there are a few different products in the sticky roll line. You can find these mystery capsules, you can buy the sticker book, and the sticker book comes with a bracelet and it also comes with some mystery sticker rolls. So that's what I bought because I definitely needed the sticker book. I want to display my sticker collection. So we're going to open all 12 rolls today and see which stickers that I can put in my sticky book. Okay, so we have our bracelet, and then we have our collector's booklet and our sticky book. If you get the sticky book, it also comes with these 7 mystery rolls, so that's really exciting. Some of these I think could be a rare roll, so we will check it out together and see what we got. We'll look at this collector's book really quickly. So this is series 1. So here we have all the different stickers that we could get in series 1. The art is so cute, and then here we have the different rarity levels. So we have mirror, crystal, diamond, and platinum. You can even change out your bracelet. You know, if you use all the stickers on a roll, you can replace the rolls. So if we look at our sticky roll, we can see there's a little place here to put your favorite stickers. So that's really fun. And this is how you open and close the bracelet. Very simple. So we can see here it says chat pack. Each roll has a name. So that corresponds and tells you what sticker roll you have. So Bunny Side High is in this one, the life category right here. And it is a mirror. So it's a common one. We'll take a look at the sticker book. You can open it here. You have a spot to put your name. And here we have the different categories. So there's fortune, note. So these are all the different categories of stickers. And if you find in the Rex and JoJo roll, if you find this specific sticker, then you can stick it here and start your collection. I saw someone putting their other stickers here. If they weren't like the one that you needed, you can put them here. So that's really fun. I'm going to do that. And in the back here, for the ones that don't fit your collection, they have different prompts where you can put stickers you think are the cutest, ones that make you laugh. It has a ton of spots. You can even open this and add or remove, because I know some of the other products have other sheets. So that's really fun. So let's start unrolling these and put them in our sticker book. So you can look in your collector's guide and see that the Rex and JoJo roll is right here in the BFFs category. It's a mirror rarity, so it's common. So we can see the Rex and JoJo, this first picture, it matches that first picture, but it doesn't show you all the other stickers that there are in that roll. So there are just a ton of cute stickers to choose from. I'm not sure if any of these are in our sticker book, but we can take a look. Here's BFFs, Rex and JoJo. So let's see if we have that one of them sitting and holding hands. Oh, there it is. Yay. Ooh, that is so satisfying. Look at it. I love it. So the other ones, I'm just going to put it over here around Rex and JoJo on this page in the back. I'm officially a fan of Rex and JoJo. This is the only other one I unrolled earlier. So I have that sticker. Suki stickers. Suki stickies. I love these. I love the food ones. This is what the roll looks like empty, by the way. It's still cute. It doesn't just look like a weird missing piece, you know? So Suki stickies are in pets. It's a mirror. And I'm looking in the pets. I don't see any of them. And they have a lot in the pets category. So maybe this one, I think, doesn't have any in this book, I think. Are you serious? Who does? You're back. These are fun. I like this. This would be so fun in like scrapbooking or something. Oh my god. Yes, we have the oh my god. Bunny Side High. She is a moment. Cute. Let's hang out after class. Let's go shopping. I forgot my homework again. I love her. Oh no, I'm late again. So Bunny has her own category, and we have this one from Bunny Side High, the heart. So yay, let's put that in our book. Now we just have yoga corn, and then we have our mystery rolls. Oh my gosh, yoga corn is a 5. Oh, okay, yoga corn is a fantastic. And she is a crystal. Ooh, our first crystal roll. Wow. Ooh, I can see the back is a little more holographic-y, so that's cool. Go with the flow. Ooh, Ooh, yeah, Yoga Queen. Here it is. Okay, so here is what the bracelet looks like when you take off all of the rolls. So you can take apart the bracelet and take these off and replace the rolls with the mystery rolls if you would like, or with other sticker rolls from other packs that you buy. Wouldn't it be so fun too to replace them with these mystery rolls, and then like when you're wearing them with your friends, you can reveal them like mystery rolls in time with your friends? I think that would be really cute. Okay, let's open these mystery rolls. This one is called Bubble Buds. Yay, Bubble Buds is in the life and it's a crystal. So cute, it's all about bubble gum. Gum! I'm gonna put the stickers on the side for now so we can just unravel all of these rolls. Sea Queens, ooh. I know I'm gonna love this one. Have a magical day. I see you. Oh, it's a bunch of ocean puns. No troubles, just bubbles. Oh, this one's really cool. Ooh, with that wave, that one's really pretty. Seize the day. Oh, I love that one. I have so many favorites. They're so jokes, for sure. Candy Pals. Candy Pals is a mirror rarity. And so adorable. On up. What do we have? It's so exciting to see what sticker roll. Positively Pink. I'm a big deal. Looking sharp. They're like alien looking dinosaurs. Awesome. Cats or cows? A cats or cows is a diamond and it's super rare. Wow, yay, our first diamond roll. This is exciting. Oh yeah, look at the back. You can tell it's special. It was a pet, so I looked in the pets for a clue. Here it is, cats or cows, a purple diamond, super rare. Oh, and the roll is purple. Okay. So I guess the roll corresponds to what rarity it is, so that helps. So cute. So they're cats dressed up as cows. Adorable. We have our super rare diamond roll. We have our last roll left, then we're going to put our stickers in our book. Let's see if we can tell the roll. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at this. You can tell the roll, and it's a purple. We have another diamond, a super rare. Oh my gosh, so definitely recommend the Sticki book because it comes with all these mystery rolls, and it's not that much more than just the bracelet, and it comes with the book, of course. Farmer Bunny. What's interesting about Farmer Bunny is a lot of these look so similar. Okay. Under big. I'm obsessed. Okay, so I finished putting all the stickers in my sticker book. You can see we filled up the pages quite a bit on the backs here, and then with our collection. Oh my gosh, I really love these mermaid ones. And then also in the back, I added a bunch to these little prompt pages. So ones that I think are cute, BFFs, favorite foods, the dinosaur ones. So if you're interested in checking out Sticki Rolls and getting the Sticki book, I definitely recommend it. The Sticki book is so worth it to collect and track which stickers you get. But even if you don't get the Sticki book, I see people put them on their water bottles, on their notebooks, so they're really fun. You can trade sticker rolls, you can share with your friends, so definitely recommend Sticki Rolls and the Sticki book. Let me know what you think in the comments. Very soon I'm going to be doing unboxings of these mystery capsules and finding more bracelets and more stickers to add to our book, so definitely follow along if you're interested in that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!